Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Today I'm going to do a very interesting video. I'm going to review one of these sites that I found to be really interesting, and that is about ByteScout. So ByteScout is a site and a company that they seek to automate some processes for businesses and also for individual use. And some of these processes are, for example, extraction from documents. And the best part about it is that you don't have to be a programmer, you don't have to have programming skills for you to be able to do so, because they have been able to already code, they've been able to already automate the process basically through their tools, and all you have to do is download. So as you can see, when you open the site, when you go to the site, you're welcomed by this amazing user interface, and it's very user friendly. You'll be able to also see some reviews of some customers who have been able to use ByteScout successfully, which I believe is very important for you to be able to know what exactly you're getting involved in. So yes, also if you scroll down the site, you should be able to see some of their tools that they have provided. As I said, they are seeking to automate processes, and that's why they have the RPA tool, which stands for robotic process automation. It's a software that will perform routine operations. Especially, I believe it's very important for businesses. Sometimes it's going to save you a heck while on the timeline that some of these processes are so redundant. But once you're able to automate these processes, you'll find that you'll have more time to complete other processes within the business. So you'll also find they have the PDF, they have the barcode, they have a barcode reader, they have a barcode generator. It's so wide. All you have to do, and the best part about it, is that these are free trial on their site, and I'm really happy that it's among the link to the free trial is just on the first page. So once you've been able to go down the site and see what exactly they are offering, you're able to go up and just click on the get free trial for you to be able to start. Okay, just a minute. I've been able to click. So I have the software already installed on my computer. That means that I will not be installing it fully, but just for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to click on the get free trial. You should be able to save the file. And once it's done, you can open it. Please ensure that you have administrative rights, and you click yes. Then you are prompted to select the products that you want to install. As I said, as you can see from my end, I have all the products installed, but for you, you can always choose. As I said, the file is quite big, it's around 1 GB, but you can always choose on what you want to, what exactly that you want. For example, if you want a barcode reader, if you want a barcode generator, if you want to extract things from a PDF document, you should be able to select here. And yeah, once you select, you just click next. Make sure to agree to accept the terms and condition, and I'll have to cancel simply because, as I said, I've already installed it, so I don't need to install it again. But anyway, so once you've installed, you'll be able to have such an interface, and from here you'll be able to see their their products. And as you can see, under each product there are so many modules there, as I say. And they also, as I mentioned, that the best part of it is you don't have to be a programmer. They've already sorted out the bit of programming for non-programmers, and it is a very user-friendly environment for you to be able to automate processes. So you'll just select the what you need to do. For example, if you need to generate a spreadsheet, which is very important for businesses, you can just choose the spreadsheet SDK. This is just the trial version, and I'm just demonstrating to you how you can be able to actually do some of these things. So you can add a line chart. For example, you want to automate a process of running a line chart to already data that you already have for your business. You can, let me just run a sample so that you're able to see exactly how it works and how proficient it is, and how it can save you a lot of time. See, this is just awesome. This is just awesome. This is just a sample data that's from my and running that sample data on the program. It has been able to generate some of the line graph, and you can do so much more apart from that. You can there's a spreadsheet, you can change column, width and rows, you can change data. Basically all your Excel also. You can see that you have as I say, the barcode generator that is able to read barcodes and generate barcodes. There's also the PDF extractor, that when you want to extract something from a PDF document that you have, you should be able to use that option, and it will be accurate enough to generate just what you want. It has a text recognition that is very important. For example, in an image, you can be able to extract text from an image, which is very important. Yeah, so basically that's what this amazing software and this amazing company has come up with for non-programmers to help you be able to automate some of these redundant processes that will take so much time in doing when you employ someone to do it. But when you come to the RPA tool just on the site, there's an option to start making your robots. Basically that takes you to a window where, as you can see, the interface is quite simple. It is not complicated. From here you'll be able to design exactly what do you want to automate, what do you want to design. Yes, and as I said, you don't have to have programming languages. I think that's the most important part. And also there's the support option. If you need support from one of the support agents of the company, you should just be able to click there, and you should be directed to a page where you'll fill in your details and you'll be able to get the necessary support. Another important thing to mention is that there's documentation for all these processes. For example, if I click on the PDF SDK, it brings you the description of the module, and also you're able to have a free trial. You should be able to See the free trial version where it will prompt you. It's going to direct you to the site where you're going to direct the free trial, and you should be able to use the test data samples that have already been provided for you to test your products. And also there's the API documentation. When you open the documentation,